In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lightroom Classic's Photo Enhancer feature to elevate your photography skills. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Lightroom Classic and navigate to either the Library or Develop module. Once you're there, select the photo you want to enhance by clicking on it. It's important to make sure your photo is in a supported format. If you're looking to use raw details, then the image needs to be in a RAW format. For super resolution capabilities, other formats such as JPEG and TIFF might be supported depending on the version of Lightroom Classic you're using. Next, with your chosen photo selected, you should right-click on the image. Alternatively, you can go to the top menu, hover over Photo, and click on Enhance. This will open up the Enhance dialog, which is where the magic happens. Once the dialog box appears, you'll be presented with a few exciting options. The first one is Raw Details, which will improve edge rendering and color accuracy for your RAW files. Perfect for getting that extra crispness and vibrant hue in your photos. Another option you'll see here is Super Resolution, which is particularly useful if you want to increase the image's size without losing quality. This clever tool will double the linear resolution of your photo, effectively quadrupling its pixel count. You'll be amazed at how much detail you can uncover in your shots with this powerful feature. And if you've dealt with photos taken at high ISO settings, you'll be familiar with the unwanted noise that can creep into your images. Thankfully, there's an option called Denoise, or something similar, which applies advanced noise reduction algorithms. This is great for cleaning up your photos, making them look smooth and professional. Within the Enhance dialog, there's a handy preview feature that allows you to see a before and after comparison. I highly recommend toggling this view to get a clear perspective on what these enhancements are doing to your photo. It's always satisfying to see the improvement unfold right before your eyes. Additionally, you have the option to set various other parameters such as stacking the enhanced version with the original, choosing an output file name, and more. Customizing these options will help you maintain a well-organized workflow. Once you're happy with your selections, go ahead and click the Enhance button. Lightroom will work its magic and process the image, creating a new DNG file, or an equivalent format, that comes with all the enhanced resolution and detail. It's as simple as that. Now, with these enhanced versions, you're ready to take your photography to the next level, armed with images that are sharper, clearer, and simply more stunning. I hope this guide helps you make the most of Lightroom Classic's Photo Enhancer. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.